We made it to week 3. Congratulations. You guys have been working really hard and learning a lot using the STEM projects that we've created. So week 3, same as week 1 and week 2. You're going to click on week 3 that opens on July 20th. And again, the video that I'm making will be the very first link up at the top here once I've created it. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to watch a Bill Nye that's about simple machines. You're also going to look at a PebbleGo article. I want to show you this one because this one looks a little bit tricky. There are short informational articles, and I mean short, about each of these simple machines. So the way that you access them is by going into the library link right here and clicking on PebbleGo like you did before. But you're going to search up each one of these terms or just go hit the back button and then click the next one. There's about a paragraph, a little bit more than a paragraph on a couple of them, of information about each of the simple machines. So I want you to make sure that you go through and you look at each one of them. There are 6 of them, making sure that you hit the back button and going back in. So start with inclined planes, hit the back button, go into levers, hit the back button and go into pulleys, and then screws, wedges, and wheels and axles. So make sure that you read about each one of those. They're super short, so it's not going to take you a whole lot of time. Once you've done that, you're going to create a slideshow presentation about simple machines that you find in and around your house. So you could take the pictures with your Chromebook or find pictures online of the household items. So I've done the first 2 for you in the slideshow. Remember that you want to let this load before you hit the edit button. So your screen looks a little bit different than mine, but you'll hit my document that'll be right here, and then you'll hit the edit button over here. And I've created the slideshow. It has the first 2. The title page you need to put your name on, but the other 2 I've started, and then I put the titles on each of them. You just have to find a picture that represents that simple machine and use the examples to help you with that. So going back, let's go back to what we're doing this week. So in here, so once you've created your slideshow presentation and you've turned it in, there's a simple machines game that you can play. And there's a video about a wind-up car that just talks about how simple machines work. And you are going to actually make a pinball machine activity, and there's a PDF about what you could use. And your job is to include at least 3 simple machines in your pinball activity. And then you're going to take a video of your pinball machine in action and then answer this discussion about what simple machines you included, list them, and just talk about what you use, like if it was a lever or a pulley or a wheel and axle in your simple machine. So make it as cool as you want. Make sure that you're shooting marbles or something that is round, that's rolling, some kind of ping pong ball or maybe a bouncy ball that you have at home. The next thing is Rube Goldberg. You're going to watch 2 videos about him and learn about how he created machines that did simple tasks using simple machines. And then you're going to build your very own simple machine to do a simple task. And you'll create a video and post it so we could see it. So that's the final week. These are the activities you're going to create: the pinball machine and the Rube Goldberg machine. There's not as much reading material, but there are a few videos this week, but 2 big projects. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.